Hi guys, and welcome to Sherpa. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through our online classroom and interactive whiteboard to show you how to make the most of it. As you can see here, the welcome screen will be a simple video chat represented by these black boxes on the left and the right with your guest front and center. If you look toward the title bar at the top, you can see the lesson name and time and duration, so you know you're in the right place. From here, when we are ready to learn, we will look towards the bottom toolbar and click Toggle Whiteboard. Some of the other options in the bottom toolbar here are quite familiar. We have turning your video feed on and off, microphone on and off, sharing your screen, and also full screen mode if you want that extra bit of space. I can then show the toolbar again by clicking here on the left. On the far right of this toolbar is a live update of your internet connection quality, and in the corner the question mark button will open our website's help center in a new tab so that you can get in touch with our team directly using our instant chatbot. This is represented by a blue circle in the bottom right hand corner of all our pages. Back on the left hand side of the whiteboard are the creative tools. Starting near the bottom of the toolbar is one of the most useful tools, the upload button. This enables either side to upload an image or PDF document to the whiteboard so that it can be fully interacted with as part of the lesson. Any document or presentation with several pages or slides will have those pages added to the whiteboard, which you can navigate using the page tool in the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to upload something just now. Now that we have some lesson material, we can start to use the other tools to interact with it. We can use the text tool to type notes and answers. Just remember to click off the text box in order for another person to see it. We can also use the shape tool. This can be used to highlight important areas or make answer boxes for people to type in. And you can also use filled shapes to build and draw diagrams. These can be made in a variety of different colors using the palette tool. Now we have the classic pen and eraser tools. You can draw and write using the mouse to annotate notes or mark homework. You can pick the colour using the palette tool and fill in answers. Using the eraser tool is similar to using the pen, and you can use it to delete. If you make a mistake, you can always use the undo button. Last but certainly not least is the powerful select tool. You will see we can pick up individual pen strokes and objects such as text boxes, and we can move them around the whiteboard. You can also use the bounding box to increase the size, reshape, and also rotate. You can also click delete and select multiple items at once to move them around the whiteboard. The right hand toolbar is all about your view of the whiteboard on your screen. It's worth noting that moving around using these tools does not affect the other person, and you will need to communicate any changes accordingly. You can use the pan tool to click and drag around the whiteboard. You can click the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out. But you can also use the mouse scroll wheel. To avoid any confusion, when the map button is clicked, You and the other person will see the same screen, and it will fit any objects on the whiteboard to fill it. Lastly, the settings button on the top toolbar will show a range of options for connecting external devices, such as cameras, microphones, and speakers. It will also give you feedback on your internet connection and help troubleshoot any issues with these. When the lesson is finished, you can click End Session. This will then collect all the pages from the whiteboard into a PDF document, which is automatically emailed to the student and kept safe for future reference in the Manage My Bookings section on our website. We hope you enjoyed using the classroom as much as we enjoyed making it. If you have any suggestions for tools that may make your lessons easier, please get in touch and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.